Smart homes aren't just about turning lights on with your voice anymore. Today, some gadgets can unlock your door in seconds, clean your house while you sleep, and even turn food waste into something useful. In this video, we're looking at 10 smart home gadgets you probably didn't know you needed, but once you see them, you might not want to live without them. This video breaks down what each gadget does, how it works, and why it actually matters in real life. No hype, just useful tech that makes everyday living easier, smarter, and more efficient. Let's get into it. Starting off strong with the Wyze Auto Lock Bolt V2. This isn't just a smart lock, it's a lock that learns. It unlocks in about half a second using a fingerprint scanner. And unlike many fingerprint systems, this one improves over time. The more it's used, the more accurate it becomes. That means fewer failed scans and faster access every day. It also gives multiple ways to unlock. Fingerprint for speed, app control for remote access, keypad codes for convenience, and physical keys as backup. The lock connects to Wi-Fi, so it can be controlled directly from the Wyze app. Even better, when paired with a video doorbell, it allows users to see who's outside and unlock the door instantly. Battery life is solid, lasting up to 8 months. And if it ever dies, a simple USB-C power bank can bring it back temporarily. It's secure, flexible, and surprisingly smart in how it adapts. Now let's take security a step further. The XSense Smart Home Security System is designed to monitor your entire home without complicated installation. It comes as a 5-piece kit, including door sensors, a motion sensor, a keypad, and a base station. Everything works together to detect movement and unauthorized entry in real time. The standout feature is remote monitoring. Through the mobile app, users can arm or disarm the system, switch between home and away modes, and even set schedules. It also supports voice control through Alexa, adding an extra layer of convenience. Installation is simple, no tools required. Just place the sensors where needed, and the system is ready. It's expandable too. Additional sensors can be added over time to build a fully customized setup. For anyone looking to upgrade home security without going overboard, this is a smart starting point. Now let's bring everything together in one place. The Google Nest Hub Max acts as the control center of a smart home. It's compact, but powerful. Designed to sit on a counter, shelf, or bedside table, it blends easily into any space. It supports multiple languages and works globally, making it flexible for different users and environments. More importantly, it brings all smart devices into one interface. From controlling lights and checking cameras to managing schedules and media, everything can be handled from one screen. The display is clear, and the sound is surprisingly strong for its size. It's one of those devices that quietly becomes essential once it's part of daily life. Now let's step outside for a second. The Thermacell Mosquito Repeller E-Series solves a problem most people deal with: mosquitoes. Instead of sprays or lotions, this device creates a 20-foot protection zone around you. It works quickly, reaching full effectiveness in about 15 minutes. What makes it stand out is that it keeps mosquitoes away from the air, not your skin. That means no sticky sprays or strong scents. It's rechargeable and runs for up to 9 hours, making it ideal for outdoor spaces like patios, balconies, or backyards. It's also travel-friendly and safe for use around people and pets. Simple idea, but a huge difference in comfort. Back inside, let's talk entertainment. The Sony ULT Field 5 Bluetooth speaker is built for powerful sound in a portable design. With the press of a button, it boosts bass for a deeper, richer audio experience. It's designed to move with you, featuring a shoulder strap for easy carrying. Battery life is impressive, up to 25 hours on a single charge. And even when low, a quick 10-minute charge gives hours of playback. It's also waterproof and dustproof, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. For those who want strong, customizable sound anywhere, this speaker delivers. Now let's shift to comfort. The Bwarm heated mattress pad focuses on better sleep through smart temperature control. It features multi-zone heating, allowing different temperatures for the body and feet. This means no more overheating while still keeping cold feet warm. It includes 9 heat settings and an adjustable timer that can automatically shut off after up to 12 hours. The material is breathable and designed for comfort, while the detachable layer makes it easy to clean. It even remembers previous settings, so there's no need to reset it every night. For colder environments, this adds a whole new level of comfort. Next, something for your kitchen. The FoodCycler Eco 5 transforms kitchen waste into something useful. Instead of throwing food scraps away, it grinds and processes them into plant-friendly material. It works quietly and reduces food waste volume by up to 90% in just a few hours. Odor is handled by a carbon filter, keeping the process clean and smell-free. It also has a large 5-liter capacity, so it can handle a full day's worth of waste easily. This is one of those devices that not only simplifies cleanup, but also reduces environmental impact. Now let's automate one of the most time-consuming chores. The Tikom robot vacuum handles both vacuuming and mopping in one go. With strong suction power, it removes dust, debris, and pet hair across multiple floor types. It also features smart navigation, using sensors to avoid obstacles and prevent falls. The ultra-slim design allows it to clean under furniture where most vacuums can't reach. It runs for up to 150 minutes and automatically returns to recharge when needed. Control options include app, remote, voice, or manual button, making it accessible for anyone. It's not just convenient, it saves time every single day. Let's take control of your home climate next. The Breez Lite Smart AC controller turns regular air conditioners into smart devices. It connects to your AC and allows full control through a mobile app from anywhere. It also works with voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. With built-in temperature and humidity sensors, it automatically adjusts conditions for optimal comfort. It even includes scheduling, usage tracking, and energy-saving features to reduce electricity bills. Small device, but a big upgrade in control and efficiency. Finally, let's bring everything together with a smart finishing touch. The SmartWings motorized smart blinds combine automation, privacy, and energy efficiency. They provide full blackout coverage, blocking light, reducing noise, and improving insulation. Control is where they shine. They can be adjusted using an app, remote, or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Schedules can be set to open in the morning and close at night automatically. The built-in battery lasts several months and can even be paired with solar panels for continuous charging. They're also custom-made to fit any window, ensuring a perfect look. Installation is simple, and the cordless design makes them safer for homes with children or pets. It's a small upgrade that completely changes how a space feels and functions. Smart home tech isn't just about convenience anymore, it's about improving everyday life in small but meaningful ways. From security and comfort to cleaning and energy efficiency, these gadgets solve real problems and save time. And once they're part of a home, it's hard to go back. And for more smart tech and gadget reviews, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned.